What's going on, kids? Mr. B here. I think I'm about to obliterate the Tower of Doom here. I've made it to the end, and I don't really know. I mean, if I lose this one, it's going to be absolutely brutal. Let's check out my deck really quickly before I jump in. Obviously, I'm going to pick this one because this is the final battle before the final boss. Here's my deck. Toxic Waste ×2 combat. A Fury Relic ×2 in the first combat. Heal for 15 before a boss battle. I think I'm already at 100, which is kind of crazy. Deal 4 damage when I tie. Pick up 100 coins. I've got a 20, a 20, a 20, and an 18. If I lose this match, then we all can agree that this thing is rigged and it's garbage. Because it would be the 18 card that's making me lose. I just don't see how this is possible. Let's go through this last level and see how this goes. So here we are, final boss. This should not be a very long battle whatsoever because with all these 20 cards, I should be winning each time. And even when I'm not, I'm tying. So it should still be taking points away from our final boss. Let's see how we do here. Evil King. Boom. Crushed him. Already got 28 damage in the first round. Another 20 card. Wham. 8 damage. Even though it was only 2, it's 8 damage because I'm getting this ×4. This will be ×6. Absolutely 48 damage. I am obliterating the Evil King. He deserves it, though, as much as he's done stuff to us this year. The King deserves it. Watch him beat me. He'll have a 19 down there. We all know that's going to happen. Or a 20. Huh. I mean, that's the only card that's going to beat me, though. There's no way. I mean, because that card's out of play for a little bit, and so it's now time for my 20s. There we go. Even though it's ×2, I should win this. Should not be a big deal. There we go. 16 damage on him. This is going to be a lot of fun. Here we go. Back to this crazy white rabbit. You know he's going to get me. It happened. There's a 19 coming. No, I got him by 1. I really wasn't expecting. ×6. This will be a ×8. A ×8 damage. Let's see if I have maybe a tie or something. Nope. And that is it. Like a minute-and-a-half match to crush the King. He deserves it. Thanks for watching. And just for Hunter, smash that like button and subscribe. And I will see everybody on Monday.